So how to make money blogging is one of the most searched questions on the internet today. And I tell you what, there are tons of answers available for this subject matter. But for me, I'll be showing you practical methods that work for bloggers. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Udochi here. Today I'll be showing you how to make money from blogging. In short, there's a lot of money to be made by blogging. I can't give you a precise number, but every blogger is on their own path. Some bloggers make over $100,000 every month, while some bloggers make like 10 cents a month. But see, I'm not here to teach you how to make 10 cents. I'm here to teach you how to make serious money. Also, it all depends on your strategy. If you check out the list of high-paying bloggers today, you'll be amazed what you're gonna find. According to Monument on highest paid bloggers, someone like Ariana Huffington of the HuffingtonPost.com earn over $250 million per year. Tim Skies of TimothySkies.com earn over $120 million per year. And Peter Rogers of Engadget.com make over $50 million per year. You see, the list goes on and on and on. Well, I don't know what these people's bank account is like, but well, this is what Enlist have said. So even if you are not making up to the amount I've called here, if it's in millions, I mean, it's actually big money. Now, this is the trickiest part. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Read my lips, is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, it takes months, even sometimes years, to see any profit from your blog. And it can take hours and hours and hours to learn how to drive traffic to your site and create top-notch content for people to read. So, do you want to be the next Ariana Huffington or Tim Skies? Here is how to make money blogging. You have to choose a niche. Alright, so a blog niche is a specialized topic area that you'll be focusing on when writing content. Blogging niche allow you to narrow down your audience and craft content that is much more relevant for them. So your niche could be digital marketing, blogging and making money online, health and fitness, personal finance and investing, recipe and foods, personal development and self-care, and so on and so on. Now, based on your niche, you can get a domain name from any popular domain registrar. For me, I use Hostnamaste, and the link is in the description below. However, you can go for popular ones like GoDaddy, Bluehost, and tons of other domain registrars you can find on the internet. Now, it's not just about getting a domain name, alright? You have to host that domain name. For me, I still use Hostnamaste. The link is in the description below. There are tons of other companies that actually can help you host your blog. The previous list I called also provide such services, and you can check other cool services on the net. So once you have a host, ensure you install WordPress. Follow the instruction from your host company and your blog will be set up in a few minutes time. If you can do this, you are now close to grabbing that money we've been talking about. Now, getting a domain name and hosting it is not just enough. The key here is to create content based on your niche, and you have to be consistent with it. You have to make sure you do what is called keyword research so that you can rank your content on search engine. So that can help you with this keyword.io and keyword planner by Google. The link is also in the description. Lastly, ensure you fulfill SEO requirements for your content. Otherwise, your chances of getting people to find it on search engine may be slim. Alright, plugins on WordPress like Yoast SEO can help you with this optimization. Yoast SEO is a search engine optimization plugin. They handle the technical optimization of your site and assist with optimizing your content. You can use them to ensure your content meets SEO standards. Alright, let's go make some money right now. So what are the effective ways to make money with your blog? Now, this is the most common way to make money. In fact, nearly 90% of online blogging are using Google AdSense to earn money. Many bloggers find it easy to make money by putting AdSense on their blog. Well, some don't use any trick to increase their AdSense earning or optimize it. They simply follow other bloggers and copy how they display ad. But these are not the best way to make money with AdSense. AdSense offers lots and lots of training on how to get this done. You can take time to go through them and you might just discover a trick that would make you earn more. Now, this is another way to make money with your blog. There are a lot of people who earn up to $1 million, alright, through affiliate marketing. I'm not kidding. Read my lip. $1 million through affiliate marketing. You see, when people read your blog, they're looking for your point of view, especially when you've established a community based on your niche. Now, these people are trying to look for your point of view and trying to learn from your experiences. Now, the products you like to use are one of them. If you happen to recommend products, why not try to monetize your blog at the same time? Affiliate marketing is a process where publishers earn a commission by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser using an affiliate link. There are hundreds of best affiliate programs on the internet. Choosing the right affiliate program and the right way to promote is the key to affiliate marketing success. A single affiliate marketing program can earn you up to $100,000 a month. You can create specialized sites to promote them, but since I assume that you already have a blog, alright, so you can promote a product that relates to your niche. Let's say, for example, your niche focuses on weight loss. You can decide to promote a weight loss product, but the key remains promote a product that relates to the kind of content or the niche you talk about. So you get paid once your reader click on those links and make a purchase, so you earn a commission, and that is how you earn with affiliate marketing. So how does this work? So you have a blog and you have a lot of visitors on your site. Why not sell space on your blog to advertisers? It will bring you real monthly income without any headache. There are many sites like buysellads.com or blog ads which can help you sell your advertising space. You will receive a fixed monthly income paid by advertiser. Another option for placing ad on your blog would be to contact businesses related to your niche directly. All you need to do is ask them if they'll be interested in purchasing ad space on your blog and negotiate a deal with them for the price. This requires considerable industry know-how. Not to mention that for businesses to find your offering appealing, your blog needs to attract a considerable amount of traffic each month. The advantage of contacting companies directly is that dealing with companies directly erases third parties and commission that are paid to them. So what this means is that you can sell anything you own. You can create an ebook and sell it on your blog. You can sell your services or even sell physical products, but make sure you're selling something unique and authentic to your audience. If you write about health, you can sell health products. If you write to make money online, you can create and sell your ebook on this topic. If you think your content is worth thousands of dollars, well, I just want to tell you for free that it is worth millions. Alright, don't just mind me here. Why not create a membership site? Thousands of bloggers receive a single payment, say a monthly subscription, or even annually from people who want to access their premium content. So for example, Farnham Street is a blog devoted to content on decision making, the professional world, learning the art of living, and it is run by Sean Parrish. It has over 155,000 email subscribers and a podcast that's reached 1.5 million downloads in 2017 with just 10 episodes. If you can build a strong enough community to attract paying members, membership sites and subscription can be an effective way to make money from your blog. Finally, wouldn't adding a donation button on your blog be one of the best ways to make money with your blog? Of course, asking for donation and receiving them are two very different things. Still, some blogs and content creators have managed to monetize their businesses through donations. You can place a paper donate button on your blog and ask readers to donate if they like your content. People who really benefit from your content are more likely to donate. You can use the donate button on your website without hesitation today, and you'll be amazed what your eye would see. Now let me just shock you a bit. Even the famous Wikipedia website generates revenue through donations. All you have to do is to write products and service review for other people's products and services. You see, thousands of advertisers want famous blogs like yours to review their product or services, and they will pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars to get you to review the product. They believe they can sell their product to your loyal reader this way. A favorable review can result in a lifetime income for your blog. However, you should take care not to post any deceptive reviews. It is better you request a product sample and give an honest review about it. A false product review can damage your reputation, and to build back that reputation will take you a long while. Well, I like to call this website real estate. This is just simply buying and selling sites to make profits. In most cases, people create a blog themselves, make it popular, after a while they sell it. The bigger your website, the more likely it is to sell. There are many sites like Flipper, Website Broker, and dealersites.com where you can put your blog up for auction. You can invest $100 in your blog and some of your efforts, and then convert that amount to $2,000 or even $10,000 depending on your blogging efforts. Many sites like AdSense pay per click to have an advertisement appear on your blog. Some of them pay better than AdSense, and many people make money from these pay per click sites. Popular sites are Chitika, Infolinks, AdBright, Yahoo Publisher Network, Contera, and others. They offer the platform an opportunity to blog owners who are willing to dive into it and make money off it. Millions of people around the world are making serious money off the Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. Amazon Associates is one of the best programs to earn money. It is by far the most popular source of affiliate income, and many blogs use Amazon affiliate link as a way to make money from their blog. The Marginalian, formerly Brain Pickings, Maria Popova's blog frequently recommends books, including links to Amazon and public libraries. Marginalia's content often includes quotes from books, and its readership is huge. Adding affiliate link to books mentioned logically comes across quite naturally in such case. Now, all you have to do is become a partner with them and display Amazon's best-selling products in the sidebar of your blog. The key here is that the product should be related to the kind of content that can be found on your blog. You can also use good plugins that can rotate products on each visit so you can get the most out of them. In conclusion, 3 key principles for making money with all that have been said so far in this video are: 1. Create useful content. Make sure your content are meeting SEO standards, and then apply any of the monetization types I have listed. All the methods I've listed here today are real practical ways of making money blogging. So if you're a blogger, don't hesitate to start making money now. I remain Udochi. Don't forget to give this video a like, and also your thought about all of these tips I've mentioned is appreciated in the comment section below. If you're new here, please do us a favor of subscribing and you get notified of the new videos I'll be releasing. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.